Oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe uthi mangathiwa uNdlozi ujoyina iMK kungaphela nya ngeEFF. Ubesephendula komlisalana oyilunga leEFF wathi into engeke iziyenzeke leyo. Ngoba phela noNdlozi eziresign akaresign as imember yeEFF uresign as imember yeParliament. Isizathu futhi esenza ukuthi azaresign ingoba kune leadership entsha eyavotelwa ngoDisemba kwiEFF conference. Kodwa futhi uphindwa wathi kuyafana noma ngathiwa uNdlozi uyojoyina umkhonto wesizwe angeke kuze kuphele ngeEFF.
Once he joined MKP, EFF will be finished. He will not. Ndlozi will not join MKP. He never joined MKP. He will not do that today. He will not do that tomorrow. Ndlozi renewed his membership with EFF. And Ndlozi is a member in good standing of Economic Freedom Fighters. He just resigned as a member of parliament. Why is he resigning? Because there's a new leadership that was voted for in December at the EFF conference in Nazareth. And Ndlozi is not one of those leadership. So people democratically elected their own leaders who should lead them from December going on. And Ndlozi is not one of them. So Ndlozi is not going to join MK, and even if he joins MK, it will not be over with EFF. Ndlozi joined EFF, not other way around. There is no EFF that joined Ndlozi. It's Ndlozi who joined EFF. And in two elective conferences, members of EFF rejected Ndlozi. He was once in the CCT as the spokesperson of the organization, and then the following conference he was not elected. Members did not see themselves being led by Ndlozi, and they chose Bambo on his behalf. They replaced him with another man. Okay, make peace with that. He's not going to join MK. He's not a member of MK. He does not even dream of being a member of MKP. Just make peace with that, brother. And it's disappointing that you are busy wearing T-shirts of MKP saying Kwaza Mkondo as if you are a member. But you see leaders of MKP in the EFF, not in MK. Country, what kind of products that MK produces? We need to see that. You are so obsessed with having EFF members in the MK. Who joins MK actually? I mean, what are you capable of as members of MKP? What can you produce, guys? What can you give to South Africa? Because I don't see seeing yourself as leaders here. Yours is only to say Kwaza Mkondo, of coming with propagandas, lying about Malema, singing. That one you do best. Celebrating Zuma as if he can save you when he failed to save you while he was a president. I sent you a video of Zuma promising London that he will not change apartheid policies. He's not going to change any constitution. And a video of your President Zuma lambasting the military takeover. The same thing we were blaming Malema just a few days ago. Zuma said it when he was a president. That is why he never said a thing when he was a president and Niger was taking power through military. Today you blame Malema. Everything is about Malema. So sharp, just make peace with this. Ndlozi is not joining MKP, will never join MK. He's a member in good standing of the Economic Freedom Fighters. Goodbye, brother.